Welcome to today's video where I show you a simple strategy to make money online without spending money. To make the money, we are using affiliate marketing and we are leveraging Brian Brewer's authority and expertise. This video is for every affiliate marketer. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out, if you're struggling, you will get valuable tips, and even as seasoned pro, maybe you could learn one or two things from Brian. And in this video, I will show you the steps you have to take in order to make this happen for you. So this is not just theoretical, you can follow this step by step. There is also this Google Sheet down in the description. It's free, and on this sheet are all the steps and tools and resources you need to make this happen. So let's jump in and I show you the overview on how this system works and how you could make the money. This is how the funnel looks like. I said it's completely free, so this part over here is optional, but it looks like this. You drive traffic to your own opt-in page or not, or to Brian's opt-in page. On here, Brian's opt-in page, they register for a free affiliate marketing challenge. There are two one-time offers, one for $9 and one for $37, I think. And then you get to the free training, so you don't have to take them. And in the free training, you learn the 8 secrets for high-ticket affiliate marketing from Brian. And Brian does the follow-up in his email campaign. And if someone buys his follow-up course with mentorship and everything, it's $9.97. You earn 40% commission, and that's about $400 for you. And you also get commission on the one-time offers. Now let's go through this step by step. Just go to the description, grab this Google Doc, then go to File and make a copy and save this as your copy so you have it in your Google Drive. Then go step by step through it. So first is to join the 90-minute affiliate challenge. Make a left click, another left click, and this will open. Then you get to this site, so it's 100% free. You can watch this video, you don't need to. And click here to register for the free course. Sign in, name and email. If you're signed in, you get to a page like this. And here is it, the 8 secrets from Brian. This is the course, secret number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a short challenge. In 90 minutes you can go through. You see the 2 upsells. The one for $9, which I explain later, is the done for you, funnel templates and campaigns, or viral content training. Then go to step number 2, join Brian's Facebook group. You need it for the next step for the training. So you go to Brian's Facebook group, just left click again, and it will open. This is his Facebook group. And just ask to join it. After that, we go to step number 3, start making money and worry about the rest later. So this is a training from Brian, it's not mine. I just show you the process, and Brian explains this in more detail over here. Go here, featured part, and then search for this one, start making money and worry about the rest later. Or if you're inside the group, if you accept it, just click over here and it will open. And this is the training from Brian, where he did exactly what I show you now, but in more detail. So
now, as I said, this is free to do. You can absolutely join my affiliate program and you do not have to be a member.
Then just watch the training and do what he's telling you to do. So if you go then to step number 8 in the 90-minute affiliate challenge, it's this one, secret number 8. And here you can sign up to promote the affiliate escape plan, and it will need a few days, and when you're approved, you can continue. In this training, Brian explains you how to do this with just Facebook to his page. He will do the follow-up. That's why it's called make money first and worry about the rest later. So you put out the content to Brian's page. You don't need anything on your own. He will do the follow-up. You can access your lead in your affiliate portal. If you want to integrate your leads later in an email autoresponder, you can grab them over here. And Brian does all this stuff, you just have to do Facebook. And that's what he explaining in this training over here. So to the next step. Create content like Brian showed you. It all comes back to this training from Brian. Start making money and worry about the rest later. Then I mentioned this optional follow-up. You can make your own opt-in page and connect it with your autoresponder and everything. But Brian has done a lot of work for us affiliates. So if you're on the challenge and you get this one, clone my affiliate campaign done for you. This one is for ClickFunnels or Systeme.io. And Systeme, so this is the optional part and it's $9. So it's not a lot of money and you don't have to do it. You can just do this one. Systeme, they have a free option that is perfect for beginners. The plans start for free and you have a lot of contacts and you can build 3 funnels. So first sign up here. Here is the link. Then get the done for you funnel for the $9. You don't need to buy that right away with the one-time offer. It's also over here in your portal. Just click on it and you can buy it. And this will give you an opt-in page. You can clone it from Brian and an email sequence also just to import this. And of course, Brian did a training about this. So here is the training. It's also in the group again. Go to the group. Search over here. This one, would you like it if you can insert with one click? So watch this training and here he explains everything on how to set up your Systeme account and how to integrate his funnel and how to clone his funnel and the email sequence. And I've put this one over here in the Google Sheet too, so you know the flow. Now think what you could do with this challenge. If you're an affiliate and you want a lead magnet, you can give this away for free. So a really great course, can give it away for free. Just use it as your own lead magnet. And you can leverage Brian's authority as super affiliate. He has won the ClickFunnels car. Now he has this 90-minute affiliate challenge and the affiliate escape plan. I think the next prize he will get is the ClickFunnels 2 Comma Club. So he is a really great affiliate marketer. He knows what he's talking about. Just go through these 8 videos and you will see it. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I've also put a link down in the description for a one-on-one strategy call. So if you want to talk with me personally, just search a time slot and we hop on Zoom.